On this video, I'm going to show you how to fit this connection to the new style shock for the Rolls-Royce. This is what we provide you with: the green line, one furrow, one fitting, and then an angle adapter. The angle adapter, it has also a furrow inside and this side too. We suggest to leave them in there, or you can take them out. It doesn't really matter. On this side, you can just tighten it by hand, just to touch it, and then you put the line all the way in, and then you proceed to tighten it. You got to get a 10mm wrench and an 8mm wrench and tighten it up. After you do that, this side is going to go into this connector. Okay, you can do it two ways. You can put the furrow in there and then the cover over. Make sure that it shows up in there, and then just jiggle it in and then tighten it by hand too. After you do that, you get a 10 and 8mm wrench and tighten them up. Be careful not to put pressure side to side or this way, because this fitting is very fragile. But after it's tight, this will never come off. On the other end, then you have this connector, and then you got the furrow, and then you put this onto the chassis of the car. You do first, you install the whole shock on the car, and then you position the fitting close to where the drain line is, and then you go ahead and put this on. It's very simple.